Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You have a square sticky note and the adhesive strip on one edge. Start now. Fold the sheet in half to make a crisp center crease and press firmly to set the fold so layers align. Once done, bring the left and right edges to meet the center crease, forming two narrow panels. Make sure the adhesive stays on the outside edge. These first folds lock shape and control thickness, which matters because precise creases determine how well later layers nest and hold. You now shape the base. Rotate the folded strip so the adhesive edge is at the top, then fold the bottom edge up about 1/3 to create a stable base. Next, fold each bottom corner inward at roughly a 45-degree angle, tucking them under the top layer to form a pointed anchor. Make sure to flatten and sharpen each crease with your fingernail. Sharper creases make modular stacking and final shaping easier. These steps form the structural core that holds the origami together. You finish by folding the top flap down over the pointed base to lock the model. Press firmly where the adhesive meets paper so it sticks. If layers resist lying flat, make micro adjustments. Open the last fold slightly and realign edges, then recrease. Trimming a hairline of excess paper can help when stacks are uneven. If the adhesive peels off, add a tiny paper tab behind it or apply a dot of glue. This troubleshooting keeps your sticky note origami functional and tidy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.